Okay guys, this is gonna be just an update on this beautiful wreck 20, I think it's 2016, 2016 GT. As you can see, I haven't done nothing in the front. Definitely the hood needs to be changed, and I had to get some new wheels. Not new wheels, but because those are the old ones. These right here, they bent. All four of them are bent inside, but they didn't bend outside. I don't know why. Remove the side view mirror cover. I thought I can, what is it called? I thought I can wrap it, but it was a hard time for me to do that shit. Anyway, so we are inside the car right now. The back seat was very dirty. I had to clean it. And right here was a whole bunch of dog hair. Here too. Inside the cups and everything. So I had to remove the other seats. As you can see right now, some of the trims are off. I just wrapped them. Auto gray. So, but the thing is, the previous owner, it looks like he had a dog, and there were a whole bunch of dog hair. I had to vacuum all the back seats. I haven't vacuumed the trunk. For some reason, they removed the trunk cover in terms of like the lid back there. I don't know if they had like a tire or air pressure thing pump, but yeah. So I had to remove the seat in here, clean those floor mat. But the car still smell a mix of brand newish and dog scent. I don't like it, seriously. So I don't know. They say baking soda or vinegar is good to get the dog scent out of there. So that's what I'm gonna do. And then you got the trunk. I'm gonna have to clean it up today. That little Bose right there, bass. I don't know if it's a Bose shaker. Oh, okay, it's a shaker. That shaker system. It's pretty bouncy, for what it is. Yeah, man, the dog scent and things like that, I can't deal with it, man. The car looks great, but the dog smell things, I can't deal with that. So here's the car, man. It's coming along. What I'm gonna do here is here's the Recaro seats that it came with. I really don't like those seats. I mean, people like them and stuff like that. So I'm gonna put them back into the car, and then see down the line if someone want to buy them, or get the ones that have the option of cool and heated seat. Yeah, what am I gonna change today? This right here. This is a brake line, and then this is something to do with brake bleeder, because when I put the brake fluid into the car, I mean, we all already know that air gets inside of it, the lines. So yeah, man, I love those wheels, but it's a freaking piece of work to wash them shit. You know, this is my daily right now. This will be my daily in a month and a half or two. I don't know, but it depends how fast I work on it. You know, I work on it every weekend, not on the weekdays. So definitely gonna have to change the windshield. You know, so yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm not a YouTuber, you know, so I don't do the editing videos and things like that. I just do the updates. I enjoy watching those rebuilding, channels though. But I'm not that type. So from me, it's gonna be more like rebuilding update videos. So yeah, I just gotta put this back together. You know, I mean, I can't wrap the covers, so I can't wrap. I mean, I cleaned them off and everything, but I can't wrap it. You know, so I'm just gonna leave it alone for now and deal with that later. Yep. So pretty much what I gotta do here is take the AC condenser out, that I don't know. I'm gonna buy another one, or I don't know if it's cracked or anything like that, or I might, just paint it black, because I really don't like this this whole bubble type reservoir and things like that. Those are the crash sensors and things like that. Well, I mean, what's the other one? The other one is here somewhere. Okay. No, maybe not. Where's the other one? Okay, here's the other one. The crash sensors. Right. Because most of the impact happened in the middle. And so, yeah. And the funny thing is, none of those airbags deploy. Because I don't know if the car was off. I don't know, man. Or was it standing still, or something like that happened? But yeah, man. Well, whoever had this car previously,